Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Harb, a young man from a distant village, had always been curious and eager to learn. When he heard tales of the unparalleled wisdom of Imam Muhammad al-Baqir, he knew that he had to travel to study under the great Imam at the prestigious university in Medina. Harb's first day at the university was filled with excitement and a bit of nervousness. The campus was abuzz with students discussing various subjects, from mathematics to philosophy. The name of Imam Muhammad al-Baqir was on everyone's lips, spoken with deep respect and admiration. As Harb entered the grand hall for his first lecture, he was struck by the serene presence of Imam al-Baqir. The Imam's calm demeanor and the depth in his eyes immediately commanded attention. Harb took his seat, eager to absorb the knowledge that would be shared. Imam al-Baqir began the session with a lesson on mathematics. He explained complex concepts with such clarity that even the most intricate problems seemed simple. Harb was particularly impressed by the Imam's ability to make abstract ideas accessible and engaging. In the following days, Harb found himself immersed in the study of astronomy. Imam al-Baqir taught about the movements of celestial bodies, their impact on the world, and how they could be used to measure time and direction. Harb marveled at the Imam's deep understanding of the heavens and how he could relate it to both practical and philosophical matters. One afternoon, during a session on Islamic jurisprudence, Harb saw another facet of Imam al-Baqir's brilliance. The Imam navigated through intricate legal principles with ease, providing insights that were both profound and applicable. Harb admired how the Imam balanced strict adherence to the law with a compassionate understanding of human nature. Chemistry was another subject where Imam al-Baqir's knowledge shone brightly. He demonstrated experiments and explained chemical reactions in a way that made the subject fascinating. Harb was captivated by the Imam's ability to connect chemistry to the broader understanding of the natural world. But it was in the study of philosophy that Harb truly felt the depth of Imam al-Baqir's wisdom. The Imam engaged his students in discussions about existence, ethics, and the nature of knowledge. Harb found these sessions particularly enriching, as they not only expanded his intellectual horizons, but also deepened his spiritual understanding. One day, after a particularly enlightening lecture, Harb approached Imam al-Baqir with a question that had been troubling him.
"Oh Imam, how do we reconcile the pursuit of scientific knowledge with our faith?"
Imam al-Baqir smiled gently and replied,
"Knowledge is a light that illuminates the path to truth. Both science and faith seek to understand the world and our place in it. When pursued with sincerity, they complement and enrich each other."
Harb left the Imam's presence with a newfound clarity. He realized that learning under Imam al-Baqir was not just about acquiring information, but about transforming his way of thinking and being. The Imam's teachings had a profound impact on Harb's intellectual and spiritual development. As the years passed, Harb continued to excel in his studies, always carrying the lessons he learned from Imam al-Baqir. He became known for his own wisdom and compassion, attributes he had seen exemplified in his beloved teacher. In the end, Harb's journey was not just about the knowledge he gained, but about the inspiration and guidance he received from Imam Muhammad al-Baqir. The Imam's legacy of profound scholarship and deep faith lived on through Harb and many others who had the privilege of studying under his tutelage.